Today I'm going to show you how to make a Bittensor wallet. First we need to go to bittensor.com and click on wallet and click download. Click add to Chrome and add extension. Once you have the extension installed, we need to click on the Bittensor wallet icon, read the text on screen and click accept. If you already have a Bittensor wallet, then you can simply import it by clicking the import icon. For this tutorial though, we will be making a brand new wallet. Here is your wallet address and your 12 mnemonic seed. It's important to keep this in a safe place. Never share this phrase with anyone. If you do, then your funds could be at risk. Once you've stored this phrase safely, click next step. Give your wallet a name, add a password, and confirm the password and click create account. Your wallet is now successfully set up. You can send and receive funds and also stake your TAO tokens. To find the best place to stake, we recommend checking out TAO Yields. You can filter this to see the top APY earners, the top stakers, and earning the most yield. If you'd like to know how to stake your TAO tokens, then click the video on screen now. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a Bittensor wallet.